Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving the riverfront warehouses behind, the transition into Gateway Arch National Park becomes immediate. As the tight industrial grid gives way to broad lawns, long sightlines, and a deliberately controlled sense of symmetry. What was once a crowded working riverfront filled with rail lines and cargo yards has been reshaped into an engineering civic landscape, designed to frame a single monument at monumental scale. The park you're walking through today is a result of mid-20th century planning. Much of the original riverfront district was cleared to create a setting worthy of the arch. This was not a casual beautification, but a complete reimagination of how St. Louis presented itself, both to the river and to the nation. Aging infrastructure was removed, ground levels were reworked, and open space was introduced to support a visual narrative centered on westward expansion. The landscape reinforces that narrative through a balance of openness and control. Lawns spread outwards without obstruction, allowing the arch to dominate the skyline from almost every approach, while trees are positioned to frame the structure rather than conceal it. Pathways guide movement gradually inward, creating a natural progression that draws attention towards the monument without forcing a rigid route, almost like a visual funnel that narrows focus as you move closer. This space also reconnects the city to the Mississippi River in a managed and deliberate way, with flood systems, grading strategies, and elevated adjustments built into the design. These elements preserve sightlines while protecting against seasonal water levels, allowing the river to remain visible and present without reintroducing the risks associated with the early industrial use. What once served freight and cargo now serves public access, transforming former working ground into civic foreground. As you approach the base, the arch shifts from distant symbol to precise geometric object. From far away, it reads as a simple curve against the sky, but from beneath, it reveals a level of mathematical intention that defines its entire presence. The Gateway Arch is not a parabola, although it is often described that way. Its form is a weighted Catenary curve, matching the natural shape of a chain suspended under its own weight. Architect Eero Saarinen selected this geometry because it distributes structural forces efficiently down through the legs into the foundations, making the curve both structurally effective and visually refined rather than decorative. The arch rises 630 feet into the air and spans exactly 630 feet at the base, creating perfect proportional symmetry between height and width. As the legs rise, they taper from 54 feet wide at ground level to about 17 feet at the top, reducing mass while maintaining strength. This gradual narrowing enhances the perception of lightness, allowing the structure to feel balanced rather than heavy despite its scale. Constructed from stainless steel over a reinforced concrete core, the surface reflects changing light throughout the day, shifting in tone depending on weather and sun angle. The absence of ornaments ensures that nothing interrupts the curve, allowing the geometry itself to remain the dominant visual element. Standing within the park, the relationship between landscape and structure becomes clear. The open ground provides visual breathing space, while the arch introduces vertical focus, creating a controlled contrast between grass, sky, and steel. This balance allows the structure to dominate without overwhelming the environment around it. Gateway Arch National Park is not simply a green space surrounding a monument, but a carefully composed environment designed to elevate a single mathematical idea. The city recedes, the river remains present, and the curve rises with deliberate precision from engineered ground into open sky.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.